Today's video, I want to show you how to recover deleted text messages on your iPhone. To recover all your deleted text messages on your iPhone, it's very basic to do and very simple. I'm going to be showing you that. The first thing you want to do, you want to open up your message app. So let's open up that messaging app. So once you open it up, it will take you to this your message interface. So what I want you to do from here, if you check the top left corner, you're going to see where it says edit. So I want you to tap on that edit. So once you tap on that edit, if you look closely here, it pops up something. If you look very well, you're going to see where it says show recently deleted. So I want you to tap on that show recently deleted. So once you tap on the show recently deleted, it will show you all the recently deleted messages on your iPhone. So guys, this is how you can actually recover. So to recover this, let me show you how to recover this. To recover this, just want to select the one you want to recover. So, and you check the bottom right corner, you're going to see where it says recover. Then tap on that recover and this will be recovered successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually recover deleted messages on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.